Hi friends, in my previous video for Informatica secure agent installation and configuration on your Mac systems, I didn't complete setting up a secure agent what we downloaded into the hosting machine. So now I'm going to continue and complete that finishing part so that you can see that that attached agent and its corresponding services enabled and up and running. So that's we are going to achieve in this part 2 and final video. Let's go and see. Okay, so let's go back to my let's go back and do the things like let me open one more terminal here. If I open one more terminal in my current directory, I can okay, see my agent installation file already I've downloaded. Let me go back. Copy this URL as well. Okay, okay, so this is my UI. Let me keep it ready so that I can log in once I'm done with my part. So let's do the first most step is agent core installation in the console. So let's do that. So the first step, we are beginning to install the agent now in a console. So when it's prompted for the default path, you can leave it or you can install so that it will install as a info agent folder. Okay. So now I'm entering the default folder to be installed and enter. So now the Informatica Cloud Secure Agent has been successfully installed. It is available under Info Agent folder. Now the next step is like we need to get into the Info Agent Apps Agent Core folder. Okay, and we need to start up the Info Agent. Okay. Okay, the Info Agent also started, and we need to register with the token what we have it. Okay, so for that we need to use this command. Okay. So we need a token. We can go to admin and take the latest token. I'm logging into user interface Informatica user interface and I'm going to connect it with the administrator services for doing that to get my latest token. This is taking a while. Please be patient. Yeah, so now we got into the services. So now let us switch to administrator services. Okay, so Discord the genius whatever. Okay. Yeah. So now we are into administrative services. Go to runtime environment and click download secure agent. So before doing that, you just change it to Linux 64. We already did all the steps, but only to get the latest token, I came here and switch to platform Linux 64, and the generated token I'm going to copy it now. So if you want, you can hit that download button, but it's not necessary for us now. So let's go back to the terminal again and paste it the latest token and click enter. Now the token has been successfully accepted. Now this secure agent is attached with this host name. So this is how it concludes our discussion. Okay, this is my host name. So if you go back and check in your UI, you will understand. So you can refresh the page here. So now you can see the agent is attached. The security agent is attached with this one. Uh, the services will slowly start up, so you can hit the secure agent here. So it will take some time to kick off. Okay, so this is how. Okay, if you double check this, yeah. So from the host, we successfully attached the secure agent whatever we installed in for secure agent. So now you can start your data integration task, everything. So now you can see that the services which is attached is slowly coming up. It will be successfully, it's just starting up. Once it is completely start up, its running status, you can start building your data integration mapping documents related to Informatica or anything. So this concludes our videos. Like, yeah, this same this user interface, like the security agent, if you want to see that from your local terminal, as well, you can go to your local browser and you can launch it and see the same thing. Okay, but be sure that the virtual box is up and running, so that the info agent automatically kick off. Part of our installation already been there, right? Like, so you no need to worry on that. Like, this concludes our discussion. Hope this video is really helpful, how to set up Informatica cloud data integration secure agent, how to set up on a Mac system. Okay, let me know for any questions. I'm happy to answer your questions. Please subscribe my channel and watch my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.